Hello and welcome to Maths Made Simple. My name is George Ampedubafo. Today you're going to study something about angles. Angles. Example 1. Find the value of x in this figure. Now if you get a question like this, the first thing you have to do is you take a careful look at the angles, how they look like. You take a careful look at the angles, how they look like. For example, look at this angle and look at this angle. They seem the same, right? They seem the same. Angle AOB is equal to angle MOP, right? So note, angle AOB is equal to angle MOP, like I said. Note, angle AOB is equal to angle MOP, like I said. Angle MOP is equal to 135 degrees. So therefore, angle AOB is also equal to 135 degrees because they are the same. The angle, how the angles look like, they are the same. So this total angle is equal to this angle. These angles have the same value here. So therefore, S this angle plus this angle is equal to 135 degrees. This angle plus this angle is equal to 135 degrees. So therefore, x plus 45 degrees is equal to 135 degrees. X plus 45 degrees is equal to 135 degrees. Now, in order to solve for x, we have to group like terms. We have to group like terms. Let the algebraic terms stay at one side and let the constant terms stay at the other side. So this one, we will allow the algebraic term to stay at the left hand side of the equal sign, and we allow the constant terms to stay at the right hand side of the equal sign. Now, to move a term over an equal sign, its sign changes. Whenever you move a term over an equal sign, its sign changes. So if its sign is positive, it changes to negative, and if its sign is negative, it changes to positive. So therefore, we're going to move this term over this equal sign, and it will change to negative. So therefore, x is equal to 135 degrees minus 45 degrees. Like I said, it will change. The sign will change to negative. So it becomes negative 45 degrees. So therefore, s is equal to 90 degrees. The final answer, s is equal to 90 degrees. So this brings us to the end of this video. Please, if you like this video, please like and subscribe. If you like this video, like and subscribe, and watch out for more videos coming. And don't forget to hit the bell so that whenever I post new videos, you get it instantly. Thank you.